They told us Archimedes was just a mathematician. They never mentioned the lost secrets that could change everything we know about science, and are worth over $2 million. What was so dangerous about his work that it had to be hidden for centuries? And how did a single forgotten manuscript shake the modern world? Archimedes wasn't just some guy messing around with numbers in ancient Greece. This dude was a genius, way ahead of his time. He designed war machines that terrified the Romans, calculated mathematical principles that scientists still use today, and left behind hidden messages in a manuscript that was lost for almost 1,000 years. When it resurfaced, it wasn't just an old book, it was a bombshell. What it revealed changed history, and one modern discovery showed us just how much we still don't know. The Archimedes palimpsest is no ordinary manuscript. It's a treasure trove of ancient knowledge, hidden beneath layers of religious text. Scholars were stunned when they uncovered Archimedes' original words, revealing insights that were thought to be lost forever. This wasn't just a glimpse into the past, it was a revelation that changed our understanding of science and mathematics. For centuries, scholars assumed we knew everything there was to know about Archimedes. They were wrong. In 1906, an unassuming book called the Archimedes Palimpsest was found in a monastery. Underneath layers of religious texts, scholars uncovered Archimedes' original words, thought to be lost forever. But here's where it gets crazy. The book didn't just contain old math, it held a revolutionary concept called the method of mechanical theorems, a way of calculating physics and engineering principles that predated Newton by over 1,000 years. The problem? The manuscript was heavily damaged, overwritten, and missing key pieces. But then, technology stepped in. Using modern imaging techniques, scientists uncovered the full text, revealing an idea so powerful that it could have completely altered the course of science had it been known earlier. Archimedes' inventions were not only groundbreaking but also had a profound impact on both his time and future generations. His work laid the foundation for many modern technologies and scientific principles. From the Archimedean screw to the principles of buoyancy, his contributions continue to influence our world today. Archimedes' works were more than just theoretical exercises, they had real-world applications. His inventions included the claw of Archimedes, a giant mechanical arm designed to lift enemy ships out of the water and smash them. Ancient accounts describe Roman ships being tossed aside as if they were toys, creating sheer terror among invaders. The heat ray, a rumored device that used mirrors to set ships on fire. Some believe this was just a myth, but modern experiments, including one by MIT scientists, suggest that Archimedes' method of concentrating sunlight with mirrors could have been effective under the right conditions. The water screw. Originally developed for irrigation, this device allowed civilizations to move water efficiently, a design still in use today in various parts of the world. Archimedean death ray theory. Some theories even suggest that Archimedes may have conceptualized forms of directed energy weapons, primitive but surprisingly advanced ideas for his time. But his greatest impact wasn't in warfare, it was in mathematics and physics. His understanding of infinity, calculus-like methods, and fluid mechanics were centuries ahead of their time. He pioneered concepts of levers and buoyancy, leading to his famous phrase, "Give me a place to stand, and I will move the earth." Yet, after the fall of the Greek world, much of his work disappeared. Some of it was burned, some lost to history, and some, like the palimpsest, hidden in plain sight. The Roman Empire admired Archimedes, but they didn't fully grasp the depth of his knowledge. When the Library of Alexandria was destroyed, many priceless works, possibly including some of his texts, were lost forever. The manuscript's revelations. So, what happened when scientists finally deciphered the lost manuscript? It turned out Archimedes had described a system that hinted at integral calculus, an area of mathematics that wouldn't officially be discovered until the 17th century. His work with infinitesimals, breaking down shapes into infinitely small parts to calculate their volume, was a precursor to what would later become calculus. But here's where it gets even wilder. The manuscript contained his exploration of combinatorics, a branch of mathematics essential in computer science today. If Archimedes' knowledge had been fully understood in his time, could we have seen an earlier revolution in physics, engineering, or even computing? Could the Industrial Revolution have happened centuries sooner? The implications are staggering. His lost work contained the seeds of ideas that now power modern engineering, physics, and space exploration. Some scientists argue that had Archimedes' ideas been widely known and accepted, the world as we know it could have progressed much faster. And then came the shocking modern twist. In 1998, the Archimedes palimpsest went up for auction. Bidders knew it was valuable, but no one expected what happened next. An anonymous collector bought it for over $2 million. And then came the shocking modern twist. In 1998, the Archimedes palimpsest went up for auction. Bidders knew it was valuable, but no one expected what happened next. An anonymous collector bought it for over $2 million. Why would someone pay $2 million for an old book? Because hidden in those pages was knowledge worth far more. Scientists working with the manuscript made discoveries that reshaped our understanding of ancient science. More importantly, they proved that history is still full of secrets waiting to be uncovered. And here's where it gets even crazier. What if there are more lost works of Archimedes out there? What if somewhere hidden in a forgotten library lies another manuscript that could rewrite everything we know about history, physics, or even technology? The rediscovery of the Archimedes palimpsest showed us that history isn't just about the past. It's about uncovering knowledge that could still change our future. If one lost manuscript could reshape science, imagine what else is still out there, waiting to be found. If you enjoy our journey, please like and subscribe to our channel. And if you like our content and want to support me, you are welcome to buy me a coffee. The link is in the description box below.